Never realized kittens could make so much noise. Especially when they're this tiny. Hi, tiny things. Hi. I'm sorry, I'm lacking something you really want. I'm lacking the thing you really want. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, babies. We will take care of you. Oh. They seem like they're growing already. I swear they're bigger from Eriko's picture. Oh. Ganbatte ne, Koneko Tachi. Hi. So this is why people who are having nursing kittens don't sleep much. Yeah, it's definitely food time. Oh.